In today's video, I will walk you through how to create dispersion effect in Photoshop. First, go to the Layers panel and select your image layer. Once the image layer is selected, go up to the Select menu and click on Subject. This will automatically create a selection around the subject in your image. After that, press Ctrl+J on your keyboard to duplicate the selected subject onto a new layer. Now go back to the original image layer and hide it so only the duplicated subject layer remains visible. Next, go to the Filter menu and select Liquify. Inside the Liquify window, apply the effect to distort the subject slightly for the dispersion look. Once you are done, click Apply and then hit Enter to confirm the changes. Now hold the Alt key on your keyboard and create a layer mask on the duplicated layer. This will add a black layer mask to the layer. After that, switch to the Brush tool. Use the brush shown for the effect and adjust the brush size depending on the area you want to reveal. Make sure your foreground color is set to white before painting on the layer mask. Now start brushing over the areas where you want the dispersion effect to appear. Continue applying the brush until you get the result you want, and that's it. Your dispersion effect is now complete. Thanks for watching.